Hola amigo, bienvenido. Remember the meaning of this word? This is bienvenido. Welcome. Welcome to my channel Learn with Kashish. Today we are going to learn some important topic which is conjunction. Conjunction. Las conjunciones. How do we say conjunction in Spanish? Conjunciones. Conjunciones. We will say conjunciones. Las conjunciones in Spanish. There are few conjunction when we use while reading, it will create some confusion in Spanish. Many of the Spanish speaker, they will not explain you because they think that you will understand it automatically. So this conjunction is and, or. In Spanish, e. This word e, which is e in English, this conjunction we use for and this we use for o. But sometime there are certain place where we use e or u instead of this. So any person who is learning Spanish and they are new to Spanish, they will get confused why instead of e they are writing a, or instead of u they are writing u. Okay, so I am going to explain you this today about this tricky thing. So we have a rule for this. Rule number 1, when this conjunction y means ya comes before I or hi, if it comes before this, then it will change into e. Instead of y we will write e, like we are writing na Juan y Maria. Okay, Juan y Maria, Juan and Maria, Juan and Maria. We have used this conjunction here because the next word is starting with m. But if I am saying Juan y Ishita, it will be very difficult to understand. Juan y Ishita, Juan y Ishita. Then Juan e Ishita. This is how where we change it to this into a, because it is e. It is coming e. Okay. For example, one sentence we will write: hablo español y inglés. Is this a correct sentence? No, because this word start with I, so it should change into e. So if I am saying hablo español e inglés. Okay, so this will be the correct sentence. Now I will give you the example of this one, hygiene. Okay, necesito productos de limpieza e higiene, hygiene. ihene. H is silent in Spanish. So it will start again with E, he, ne, ihene. So if it is there, then we will not pronounce it. We will not use Y here, we will use E. So if you remember the rule, if after this and, any of the and conjunction, the other words start with I or HI, you change it into E instead of Y. Okay. But rule number 2, if it is HIE instead of HI, then we will use the conjunction Y only. For example, azúcar y hielo, then it is ice. If it is HIE, then we will use this conjunction Y only. This is the rule. Rule number 1, you remember, if it is I and HI, then change it into E. But if the other word is starting with HIE, then you do not change it and keep it as a Y only. Then rule number 3, we will talk about O and U. O is or, this is also or. Okay. So this also same rule. If you are using or like X or Y, Ram or Shyam. Okay. Rama E Shyama, then it will be E only. But if it is one E Oliver, 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 then we will change this Juan or Shyam, Rama O Shyam, then Juan O Oliver, 2 O are together, so we will not use this Juan U Oliver, This is how we use it. Okay. Then for example, Raipur or Russia, Orissa. Okay. So we will not use this O because 2 O is together. Instead of O, we will use U. So always remember, there are 3 rules for this conjunction and or, O and U. First is, if it is I and HI, after this conjunction and, after and, then change it to E. If it is HIE, do not change, use E only. And if it is in or, O and U. If it is O after conjunction or, then change this to U. I hope I am able to make you understand this. If there is any doubt, between this and or conjunction, please let me know. When I was studying Spanish, it was so confusing for me, but then I searched a lot and studied about it. Then I came to know why they are using a, e, o and u. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it and if it is helpful for you, please subscribe and share, and let me know if I can improve something or I can add in these videos. My next video will be coming soon with the numbers. We have some number session pending. Thank you so much.